If you wish to go on a weekend getaway that is a combination of both privacy and adventure, then Kashid Beach is a perfect option for you. It is a unique place in the borders of Alibag that has something to offer for both couples and families. The crystal clear blue waters of the Kashid Beach are a treat for your eyes, offering both calmness and beauty in a single frame. Just 125 km outside of Mumbai and 33 km from Alibag, Kashid Beach is a popular tourist destination in Maharashtra. This remains one of the few beaches in the country that has not lost its beauty even with a high number of visitors. The clear blue water of the Arabian Sea, with white, sandy beach is perfect for a weekend getaway. You can plan a picnic under the shade of the casvariana trees that line the 3 km stretch or indulge in the many water sport options available at the beach. Whether you are a solo traveler, planning a weekend getaway with your partner or taking your family for a holiday, Kashid Beach has something for everyone. Go for long walks, enjoy horse riding, get an adrenaline rush with all the water sports, plan a night camp under the star-filled sky, or simply spend some quiet time with your significant other. Surrounded by a varied landscape of water, rocks, and cliffs, and due to its proximity to Mumbai, Pune, and Alibag, the place witnesses a large number of visitors all year round. Weekends may be completely booked, so plan your holiday in advance and make the most out of your experience. There are also a number of staying, eating, and shopping options close to the beach to cater to your every need. The sunny, white beaches with clear blue water offer a number of activities to water sports junkies. Even if you are not into water sports, there are still things for you to do at Kashid Beach, and most of these will not cost you a single penny. You may not see a lot of stalls on the beach, but that only helps to maintain the beauty and cleanliness of the place. Prior booking for water sports is recommended. But even if you forget to make the booking, there are ample things to enjoy either on your own or with family and friends. 1. Water sports, jet ski through the clean, cool Arabian Sea water or explore the many wonders of the underwater world and the coral reefs with scuba diving and snorkeling. You can also go parasailing and enjoy a bird's eye view of the entire beach. If you are here in the non-monsoon months, go surfing. 2. Picnic, if getting away from a hectic lifestyle, just lays out on a beach hammock. You can also pitch your tent on the cool sand and stargaze into the night. If traveling with friends, carry sports equipment like cricket kit or football. You can have a match right on the beach. 3. Treks and sightseeing, Kashid Beach is close to a number of other popular tourist spots. If you have some time on hand, trek to nearby tourist locations like Fansad Wildlife Sanctuary instead of taking the local transport. Or avail local transport and go sightseeing to other popular tourist spots surrounding Kashid Beach. 4. Enjoy the beach. The beach itself provides enough ways of relaxing and spending time with your loved ones. Go for boat rides with family and friends, right in the middle of the sea. Or simply go swimming in your own time. You can also enjoy the expanse of the beach with horse riding and long walks. 5. Shopping. The local market near the beach is the ideal place to purchase local produce and handicrafts. Don't forget to buy souvenirs for friends back home. Places to visit near Kashid Beach. Kashid Beach is a breathtaking destination. But it is also surrounded by a number of popular tourist destinations. Take a break from the beach and visit these nearby spots. 1. Fansad Wildlife Sanctuary, ideal for nature lovers. The sanctuary is home to 148 types of birds, 90 species of butterflies, 710 species of plants, and a number of poisonous and non-poisonous snakes. On any given day, you can catch sight of leopards, hyena, barking deer, sambar, and the crested serpent eagle. Originally the private hunting area of the Siddhi Nawab of Janjira, this was converted into a sanctuary in 1986 to protect the coastal woodlands of Western Ghat. 2. Korlai Fort, built in 1521 by the Portuguese, Korlai Fort provides a serene view of the Arabian Sea. Once the center of a number of Maratha wars due to its strategic location, today the ruins are best visited if you want some peace and quiet, away from the crowd as it is surrounded by hills and trees. This is an ideal spot for photographers. And if you wait till the evening you can witness a breathtaking view of the setting sun. 3. Ravedenda Beach and Fort, another Portuguese fort. This was built in 1524 right on the Ravedenda Beach. Today the entrance to the fort ruins is a short walk from the beach. Although a lesser-known tourist spot, the cannon holes in the fort wall are a major attraction. 4. Murud Janjira Fort and Beach, one of the most popular forts and tourist destinations of Maharashtra. Murud Janjira Fort was built in the 15th century by the Koli fishermen community to protect themselves from pirates. Situated on top of an oval-shaped rock, the fort is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on all sides and can be easily reached by a sailboat. Three gigantic cannons, that were feared for their shooting range, are its main attraction. This article is published on www.thrillerphilia.com.